Hello. This is Mark from Always Sold 123. Of course, we're in a situation where we have all the wires and stuff in the country, but we do have still here, and we still do pictures, and we still answer our phone calls, and I do everything for the customers. So make sure you guys happy. And here we go. We have another car, 2012 Golf R. Tuned up with nice wheels, gray color, with push button start, of course aftermarket exhaust already, not too loud, nice aftermarket wheels, tires are around 65 to 70%. Everything works, been checked out by my technician. Nice cold air conditioner, nice seats, does have push button start right there, upgraded radio stock. It has a short shifter, sunroof, which is usually a rear option on them. Nice seats, originals, the back seats. If you have any questions, feel free to call me, 954-914-7722. Stay safe, guys. Always wear a mask anywhere you go. As you can see, my mask right here. That piece is missing. We're gonna try to get it for you guys. The tow hook cover. Any questions, feel free to call me. Let me show you the car from under the hood. Very nice. So we'll just go back to the office. I'll drive a little so you see it drives. It does have navigation, as you can see. Let's shut it off a little. So let's do it. No check engine light or anything. I'm gonna hold the phone with the two hands. It does have a short shifter, so you can see it, but the car is very fast. I had another one, 2012 with 60,000 miles. You can always find it on Google that I sold it. I think this one is a little more faster. As you see, you can hear a blow valve also. I wish I could drive with one hand and switch gears at the same time. Yes, it's nice. So if you have any questions, I won't be able to drive with one hand and take videos at the same time. But if you have any questions, you want to see the car, you want to see it running, I can do more videos while driving the car. But it's all there. Clutch is good, the cold air conditioner, a navigation, push button start, leather, sunroof, everything that most of the Golf Rs don't have. So call me if you have any questions. You want a free delivery in Florida, I can arrange that. If you're in Florida, we do have a $698 dock fee that we charge, and we include the free delivery there and your temporary registration for 30 days. Keep that in mind. We also help to ship the car to any other state. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. Thank you so much. My name is Mark. Have a great day.